morning students. Let's start exercise 10D question number 1. In this diagram you can see that AB and CD are the lines, whereas PQ is a transversal which cuts these two lines at different points. What are the different points? Point M and point N. Now we have to give the answers of all these paths. So first is the angle vertical opposite to AMN. So first we mark AMN. AMN is this angle. So what is the vertical opposite of it? That is this angle. Angle PMB. So we write here angle PMB. Clear? Next is the angle alternate to C and Q. C. Now I am rubbing this. C and Q means this one. Alternate means you just do the, now students you can see that this is outside, so exterior angle. Alternate means opposite, so this one. Again this one. Clear? So again angle PMB. Now the angle alternate to MNC. Now we will see where is MNC. MNC. Alternate. Now this is inside. So again we talk about inside only but opposite direction. So this one. So either you can PMN or you can write PMC or NMB. BMN. Clear? Now I am rubbing this. Now next is the angle corresponding to BMP. Now BMP. That means this. Corresponding means, as I told you, means the position. So if you see this plus and it is on the right left side bottom, so this plus right left side bottom will be this. Yes, so what is the name? MND. Now the angle corresponding to BMN. BMN. That means this. Right side bottom. So right side bottom is this one. So D and Q. Angle D and Q. The angle vertically opposite to Q and D. Now let's check where is Q and D. Q and D. This angle vertical opposite means this. So C and M. Angle C and M. Now angle alternate to M and D. M and D means this angle. Clear? So we have to find out alternate. Again it is inside it. So opposite will be of this side. So AMN. Now next is the angle alternate to AMP. AMP alternate. Again it is outside. So this will be also outside and alternate. So D and Q. Now the next is the angle vertical opposite to PMB. Now where is PMB? We will check PMB. This one. Vertical opposite is AMN. Fine. This you will write it in your book. I don't think it is required to do it in notebook. Now the angle corresponding to C and Q. C and Q. Corresponding means positioning. Again plus. This is on the right top. So this plus right top will be this. So AMN. Clear all of you?